Most people stay stuck in credit card debt for years because they attack it the wrong way. And here's the truth no one tells you. It's not just about earning more money. It's about using the right repayment strategy so interest stops eating your income every single month. In this video, you'll learn how to pay off credit card debt fast in 2026 using simple, realistic methods that actually work, even if your income is limited. Let's get straight into it. First, you need to understand how credit card debt grows. When you carry a balance, interest starts compounding daily or monthly depending on your bank. So if someone like Alex in Mumbai owes 50,000 rupees, that number doesn't stay fixed. It slowly increases even if he doesn't spend anything more. But here's where it gets interesting. Most people try to pay random amounts each month. That is the biggest mistake. Because without a strategy, you stay in debt longer and pay more interest overall. Now let's fix that. The fastest method is the avalanche method. This means you focus on the credit card with the highest interest rate first, while paying minimum amounts on the others. This reduces the total interest you pay over time. So if Jake has 3 cards, he targets the one charging the most interest aggressively. But here's the problem. Some people feel demotivated because high-interest debts can take time to clear. So there is another method that works better for motivation. It is called the snowball method. Here you pay off the smallest debt first, regardless of interest rate. Once one card is cleared, you move to the next. This creates psychological wins that keep you consistent. Now here's where it gets interesting. The best approach in 2026 is often a mix of both. You start with a small win using the snowball method, then switch to avalanche to save more money long term. But repayment strategy alone is not enough. You also need to stop the debt from growing. That means no new spending on credit cards until your balance is under control. Many people ignore this and end up trapped in a cycle. Here's a practical step. If possible, call your bank and ask for a lower interest rate or a repayment plan. Many banks offer restructuring options if you explain your situation honestly. Another powerful trick is balance transfer. Some banks allow you to move your debt to a lower interest or even zero interest promotional period. This gives you breathing room to repay faster. But you must read the conditions carefully so you don't get trapped later. So to wrap it up, paying off credit card debt fast is about 3 things. Choosing a smart repayment strategy, stopping new debt, and using bank tools like restructuring or transfers when available. If you follow this consistently, you are not just clearing debt. You are rebuilding control over your money. If this helped you, like the video, comment your situation so I can make more specific guides, and subscribe for more simple finance breakdowns that actually help you get out of financial stress.